Welcome to today's lesson. In this audiobook, we will delve into the word glutton. We'll explore its meaning, use it in various sentences, and discuss its synonyms and antonyms. This session is designed to enhance your vocabulary and improve your understanding of how to use this word effectively in conversation and writing. Definition of glutton. A glutton is a person who is excessively greedy, particularly when it comes to eating or consuming resources. It can also refer to someone who indulges in something to excess, whether food, drink, or any other activity. Repeat glutton 12 times with me. Glutton, 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 glutton. Here are 10 uses of glutton in sentences. 1. He's a glutton for chocolate and can eat an entire box in one sitting. 2. During the feast, she showed her gluttony by piling her plate high with food. 3. A true glutton for punishment, he kept taking on difficult tasks at work. 4. The glutton in him couldn't resist ordering 2 desserts after dinner. 5. His gluttonous habits led to frequent complaints of stomach pain. 6. Even though he wasn't hungry, the glutton couldn't stop eating the snacks. 7. In the story, the character was portrayed as a glutton, constantly indulging in luxurious meals. 8. Being a glutton for adventure, she booked back-to-back trips to different countries. 9. After the holiday season, many feel like they've been gluttons indulging in too much food. 10. She's such a glutton for excitement that she always seeks out the most dangerous thrill rides. Synonyms for glutton: gourmand, overeater, fakir, hog, guzzler, devourer, pig, gourmandizer, voracious eater, binger. Antonyms for glutton: ascetic, moderate, temperate person, abstainer, eater, restrained person, self-controlled person, abstemious individual, minimalist, frugal person. Thank you for joining us today in our exploration of the word glutton. We hope you found this session informative and enjoyable. If you like this lesson, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Share this lesson with your friends and family to help them enhance their vocabulary too. If you'd like to support us financially, you can do so by scanning the QR code displayed on your screen. Your support helps us continue to create high-quality educational content for learners like you. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!